Hey, it's Chad, and I help ADHD adults gain clarity and unshakable self-confidence. Now, this video is for anyone who spent years feeling like they're secretly broken. Because here's the thing about ADHD that nobody really tells you, and it's you don't just have this different brain wiring. You've been living in a world designed for neurotypical brains and then blaming yourself for not fitting the fold. So that's not failure. That's like trying to run a Windows software on a Mac and then you wonder, why does this keep crashing? So let's talk about where this failure story actually comes from, okay? And how to replace it with something that is actually true. Okay, so let's go back. If you grew up in an undiagnosed ADHD or were diagnosed but nobody explained to you what it actually meant, you probably experienced this. You forget things, miss deadlines, start projects and not finish them, lose track of time, say things impulsively, struggle to focus when things were boring, and then the world around you said, hey, you're not trying hard enough, you're lazy, you have so much potential if you just apply yourself. Why can't you be more like, insert the name? So you internalized this story. There's something wrong with me. You said things like, I'm not enough. I'm failing at trying to be a functional human. And here's where the actual brutal part is. Your ADHD brain has a feature called rejection sensitivity. Now, rejection sensitivity is your brain treats criticism and failure like physical pain. So every time you failed at something, your brain recorded as proof of inadequacy. But here's what nobody told you. You're not actually failing. You see, the system's failing you. You have a brain that needs novelty, urgency, interest, challenge, and passion to actually want to activate it. And then the world gave you these rigid schedules, these boring tasks, punishments for not conforming to the way they think. It's not a character flaw, it's a mismatch. And I want you to know that we can rewrite all this. So here's how we fix this, and it starts with something that might be uncomfortable. You might have to grieve the story you've been telling yourself, because that story, I'm a failure, it's been protecting you in this weird way. So it's explained why things felt so hard, and then it actually just gave you a reason. So first we acknowledge that that story made sense given what you knew, but it was never actually true. Jump over to this training. It's real quick. It's under 7 minutes, and it's going to give you the tools you need to rewrite your story. So go check it out. All right, now it's time that we rewrite that story. Now, how many times have you thought, why can't I just get it together like everyone else? And how many times have you started something with just pure excitement only to watch yourself not follow through? So if you're an ADHD adult who feels like a failure, I need you to hear this. You're not failing. You're operating with the wrong instruction manual. And today I'm going to show you how to rewrite the story that you've been telling yourself over and over. What's happened over time is you were judged for your ADHD symptoms. You heard things that you need to try harder, you're lazy, you're not living up to your potential. And you actually internalized that as something that's wrong with me. But that's not the truth. And today we're going to work through that, rewrite that story so that you can tell the new story, the true story. Now in step one, we're going to name the old story. We're going to write it down. We're going to get it out of your head. And then what's the story you've been telling yourself? Is it I'm lazy, I can't finish anything, I'm not smart enough, I'll never be as successful as my sibling, and everyone else seems to have it figured out. Okay, that's not the truth. And now in step two, we're going to write the new story. We're going to ask, is this actually true? Or is this what I was told? So let me give you an example. The old story is I'm lazy. The reality check in the new story is that have you ever really never accomplished anything? Or have you accomplished things when they were like interesting to you or urgent or just felt meaningful? So if you've ever hyper-focused on something you cared about for 8 hours, and as an ADHDer, you've done that multiple times, right? You're not lazy. Your just brain, it needs the right fuel. That's not failure. That's just basic neuroscience. And this is where the magic happens. We start replacing the old story with what's actually true. The old one says, can't finish anything. New one says, I finish things that align with what my brain needs. And I'm learning what those are. The old is, I'm not smart enough. The new is, I'm intelligent in ways that weren't valued in the traditional systems. And I'm discovering what my strengths and superpowers are. The old might be, I'm an absolute failure. But the new is, I've been operating without the right tools. So that's like going to take and, you want to hammer in a nail, but you don't bring the hammer with you. You just have the nail. we're going to give you the hammer. Now, what you're doing is you're learning what you need to do to thrive. What we're going to do is we're going to rewrite the old story. So then you're going to reality check it. Then we're going to write the new story, and then we're going to move forward by acting on what the new story is. You see, here's what changes when you rewrite your story and what happens when you stop identifying as a failure and you actually start identifying as someone who's just been using the wrong manual or the wrong tools. So immediately, right, the shame starts to shift, even just a little bit. You stop blaming yourself for actually just having a different brain. Nothing you can do about it. Weeks 1 and 2, you start noticing your strengths, the hyperfocus, the creativity, the ability to connect the dots that others miss. That's what I call the ADHD superpowers. You're harnessing those powers that you have. Week 3 and 4, you start making decisions differently. Instead of, why can't I do this? You actually start to ask yourself, what do I need to make this work for my ADHD brain? And long term, you stop apologizing just for existing and you start building systems that work for you. You're turning your ADHD into an advantage. And here's the most beautiful part. When you stop seeing yourself as a failure, actually other people stop seeing you that way too, because you've shifted the energy. You're bringing in a new energy to the world, and you're not showing up as this defeated failure. You're showing up as someone who actually knows their worth. And even if you're still trying to figure out the how, you're showing up differently. It's not just not confidence, that's a full transformation. Now, here's what I want you to do. I want you to download your free Rewrite Your Story cheat sheet. You're going to identify your old story. You're going to reality check it. You're going to write the new story, that true one. So download the link below, print it out, do the exercise. Because one of my mentors once told me that knowledge is not king. Applied knowledge is king. So we got to take action. We got to actually do it, okay? You're going to bring up some emotions, and that's okay. That's the grief I was talking about, okay? And listen, we've got to address that. Now, if you're ready to go deeper than just these 7-minute trainings, you're ready to just fully break free from these limiting beliefs, and you want to build the unshakable confidence, get rid of that inner critic, that narrator, and the things that come from understanding ADHD, then that's the core of my ADHD Superpower Mastery Program. It's virtual coaching. It's available on demand. It's app-based. It's also computer, laptop-based. And I have the entire module dedicated to actually breaking free from those limiting beliefs forever. And I'd love to be able to guide you through that. And the link's also below in the description. And if you like these weekly trainings and if they're resonating with you, I would just love if you would also just subscribe and give me a thumbs up and come back here weekly to just start to use these to help you gain control, gain that clarity, gain that unshakable self-confidence, and be the person that I know you truly are. Rewrite it. The real one is so much better. And remember, ADHD is what you have, it's not who you are. And go out there and give the world the best version of you.